to begin, you want to make a slip knot. Chain 11. Once you have your 11, you're going to put 3 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Next we want to work 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the last stitch, we want to work 6 double crochet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we want to work 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And while I'm going, I'm working my tail in so that way I don't have to sew it in later. In our last stitch, we are going to work 3 double crochet. Our last stitch is right here, and with those other 3 double crochet from the beginning of the row or round. And we're going to work 3 double crochet in there. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to go into that first double crochet we made and slip stitch. Next we are going to chain 1. We're going to work 2 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3. Next we're going to work 1/2 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, and 5. After that, we want to work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then we want to work 2 double crochets in the next 8 stitches. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got one more to do. And 8. Next we want to work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then we want to work 1/2 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Two. 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to work 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2. Well, that scared me. And 3. And now we're going to slip stitch in that first single crochet that we made. And then we are going to chain 1, cut our yarn, pull that through. Now this is the wrong side, and since I've already got that tail worked in, I'm going to cut that. And then on the right side here, I'm going to grab my tail, I'm going to put it right through that stitch there, pull it through until it pops like that. You'll feel it pop. just ensures that it's through. And then we're going to just take our needle through some of these stitches here. Pull that through. And then, okay, I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So how I've gone through these two right here, what I am going to do is I'm going to move one over, the one that I came through, and then I'm going to go back through this way. Let me put my yarn back through here. I'll say that. Okay. And then just pull back through again. And stretch it a little bit. So that way you ensure that it's not gonna pop out or anything. Cut your yarn. And that is a 3 to 6 month sole. And again, I like to double mine up, so that way if they're on a cold floor or to keep their feet from getting dirty, I do 2. I do the right side down, wrong side up, wrong side down, right side up, just like that. And then I would sew it together. If you only want to use 1, that's fine. If you want to use 2 for 1 sole, that's fine. You would just need to make 4 of these. And if you need to learn the smaller size, I will post a link in the description for the 0 to 3 month soles. I will see you guys next time.